It's just that, like, they forgot my salad dressing. I open the bag. Market salad, napkins, honey roasted barbecue. For who? Zesty buffalo, which so good, but I'll have heartburn if I eat it right now. And not one, but 2 forks. Like, yeah, I have dressing at home, but like that's not the point. The point is that I like the apple cider vinegar on this salad in particular. I paid for it, and then I use this like sugar-free balsamic. It's fine. I'm thankful, but like it got everywhere because the things too. Oh.